Ever since I made videos on how to make Dr. William Davis's famous L-Lutri yogurt without using inulin, if inulin is not available where you live, and without using half and half, if half and half is not available where you live. Since then, people have been asking me, is this culture of L-Lutri good enough, or should we buy Dr. William Davis's L-Lutri only? So we will be discussing everything about L-Lutri cultures today in this video. So watch the video till the end. First of all, I'll be sharing with you some of the questions I got on my WhatsApp regarding different strains of L-Lutri that can be used. We will see, can L-Lutri yogurt be made with these strains or not? And secondly, if the yogurt is made, is it as effective as Dr. William Davis's L-Lutri yogurt that he made with his My-Lutri culture?
So this brand of L-Lutri is most frequently asked to me on WhatsApp. This is actually Swanson brand, and whenever I get a question about this brand, I ask them, okay, show me the bottle from behind. What kind of strains of L-Lutri are actually present in this bottle? So behind the bottle, they have actually mentioned the kind of strains of L-Lutri that are present in this brand. And people mostly trust this brand because it claims to be imported from USA and it is super expensive. It is 10,500 rupees per bottle. And before spending this much money and buying this expensive bottle, if they had just asked ChatGPT if this strain is good or not, they would have known that this kind of strain of L-Lutri does not colonize. It cannot even make any yogurt, let alone Dr. William Davis's L-Lutri yogurt. Similarly, this is another brand of L-Lutri that people mostly get from abroad. So when they send me this bottle, I ask them as usual, show me the picture of the bottle from behind so that I can know what kind of strain of L-Lutri is being used in this brand. And it has no mention of any strains, it just says 5 billion CFU. So obviously if the colony forming units, the CFU are less, that's why it is cheaper. You can get this bottle in $16 only minus shipping. So again, ask ChatGPT instead of trusting blindly anything that you get from abroad. It is not like everything from abroad is standardized and you get the perfect thing. As you can see, this bottle does not even mention what kind of strain of L-Lutri is used. And if the right strain is not present, it will not release oxytocin and it will not give you the benefits of L-Lutri yogurt that Dr. William Davis talks about.
So if you have watched this video till here, it is very much evident that you are very much interested in L-Lutri and other probiotics. So if you want to see such other videos regarding L-Lutri and other probiotics, do subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon right with it, so that whenever we upload such wonderful videos, you are notified first of all.
And here is another brand of L-Lutri that is locally available in Pakistan, and many doctors in Pakistan do prescribe it to their patients of H. pylori infection and acidity because they are thought to be probiotics, isn't it? But you cannot use this L-Lutri to make L-Lutri yogurt. Again, ask ChatGPT and ChatGPT will tell you that this is not the strain that will make L-Lutri yogurt. Another strain of L-Lutri that is very much confused by common people is BioGaia's Protectis, because Dr. William Davis used BioGaia's Gastrus, so people think that BioGaia's Protectis is also good enough to make L-Lutri yogurt, but that's not the case. I have made a full detailed video on the differences between BioGaia's Protectis and Gastrus and how Protectis can never make L-Lutri yogurt because the strains are not present. And in fact, BioGaia Gastrus was used by Dr. William Davis himself before he launched his own brand by the name of My-Lutri. So the most authentic and easiest way to make L-Lutri yogurt is to use Dr. William Davis's My-Lutri that you can get from his website Oxycuticus. And if you want 1 or 2 capsules, you can contact me on the given number and I can provide them to you also. If you are using My-Lutri capsules with 10 billion count, you need 2 capsules for each liter of half and half. And if you are using My-Lutri with 20 billion count, you need only 1 capsule per liter of half and half you are using. So I always prefer Dr. William Davis's My-Lutri, firstly because it is easy to use. You don't have to crush tablets like you have to crush BioGaia Gastrus tablets. Secondly, the strains which are present in your L-Lutri are mentioned on the box, and most importantly, how much count of your bacteria or colony forming units are present in your supplement, that is also mentioned on the box, and this is the mark of a quality probiotic.
So as you have seen, there are many strains of L-Lutri available in the market. So the first question that you have to ask yourself is what kind or what strain of L-Lutri has been used in your L-Lutri supplement. Secondly, what is the strength or number of colonies that are being given to you in that supplement. And if at any point you are confused, you have ChatGPT and Google. You can take a picture and upload on ChatGPT and get authentic information. In today's day and age, it is very difficult to be ignorant. Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.